So what's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you could go on to making up to $500 with CPA marketing just by promoting your CPA marketing offers on SproutGigs. And basically guys, this is the platform which we're actually going to be using to get traffic to our CPA marketing offers. But the real value of this video right here is not about promoting it on this platform, it's about the mistakes which people actually go on to making when promoting their offers on this platform. So I'm going to walk you through the exact same strategy you can actually use to promote your offers on this platform the right way right now and go on to getting lots and lots of traffic and conversions to your CPA marketing offers. So do stick on, watch this video, learn this strategy and utilize that in making a lot of money online. And guys, if you're actually new to my channel, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online. If you like such content, make sure you scroll through my channel and actually go on to checking out such videos because they can actually be useful to you in boosting your income online. And you can actually go on to subscribing to the channel and turning on your notification bell on all so that I do alert you whenever I release amazing videos that could be helpful to you. So jumping right back into the video of today, the first thing which you want to do is have an account created on a CPA marketing platform. You may want to just simply use the CPA grip right here. Maybe you could use the OG ads, the Max Bounty, the CPA Build, or any other CPA marketing platform. I'm going to be using the CPA grip right now. If you do click on register, you're going to be brought to this page where all you actually have to do is to provide these basic details and basically focus on the fields having this red asterisk signs. You could skip out other fields without that sign, actually provide your details, agree to the terms of service and get your account created. You can then go on to logging into your account. So once you're actually logged into your account right here guys, you can actually see I'm logged into my account. To actually get to this page which I am right now, all you need to do is to come right into this section. You want to click on monetization tools and you want to select the URL file locker. If you do that right there, you will get to this URL file locker section because instead of promoting your CPA marketing offer directly on SproutGigs right here, the basic mistake which people do is promote their CPA marketing offer directly. Instead, you want to use a URL file locker. So you can actually create a simple URL file locker. Click on create new URL file locker, agree to the terms of service, click on continue, and you can actually go on to lock in virtually anything in this particular locker. So first of all, I'm going to change the name right here to something like, SproutGigs. For the template, I'm just going to use the captcha template. For the general section guys, you want to go onto this particular locked URL section and you can actually lock in virtually anything on this section. So supposing I want to lock in something right here, I'm just going to come right here and maybe copy this particular CPA grip domain and actually go on to lock in that in my URL file locker right here. And once I do lock that in right now, I'm going to click on save and my URL file locker has actually been created. So once this is actually done guys, you could click on get link, copy the link to your URL file locker because that's what we're actually going to be promoting on SproutGigs. But before you do that guys, it is quite important you go on to creating a simple landing page. And you can utilize any landing page builder site of your choice. There are quite a huge number of them out there. You could use maybe the Google sites right here, which you can actually gain access to for absolutely free. You could use the systemy.io right now to create a simple landing page, or the breezy.io. And if you check my channel right there, I actually have some videos on how you could go on to creating some simple landing pages. All you need to do is to head onto my channel, click on this search icon, and you want to just simply go on to searching for a landing page right now. And if you do search for that right now, you will be taken to videos right here on how to create simple landing pages on my channel. So basically what you want to do is to go on to checking out those videos right here because I have some cool videos that can actually help you go on to creating simple landing pages on such platforms. And once you do that right here, the purpose of doing this is that you want to make sure that CPA grip right here does not actually detect that you're paying people on SproutGigs to go on to completing your offers. So which is why you want to create a landing page first, and that's a mistake which a lot of people actually go on to making. So basically once you do this right here, create a landing page and link that to your CPA marketing URL file locker. You want to copy the link and actually that is the link to your landing page which was created, and actually go on to utilizing the SproutGigs right here. And the SproutGigs is an amazing platform that actually connects freelancers and business owners together all around the world with easy to do affordable tax. And if you do come right here, guys, you'll be able to know more details about SproutGigs by going through this page right here. You can see that you could use this for digital marketing, digital writing, graphic design, and a lot more other stuff right here, because these are actually some cool gigs which you could get on this platform. But basically what you want to do is to actually go on to clicking on sign up, and you can actually sign up for this platform right here just by providing these basic details right now. And you could either sign up as a worker or as an employer. You can sign up as anyone right now. Is not actually quite important, because you can be switching from employer to worker or worker to employer anytime you want after you've created your account. So once you actually do sign up and go on to logging into your account like I did right here, as you can see, I'm logged into my account. Basically, guys, you want to then go on to funding your account right here. So I'm just going to go into the wallet section, and in this wallet section right here, you could go on to funding your account. As you can see, you could fund your account via credit card, via other platforms right here, including cryptocurrencies. And once you do actually deposit or fund your account right here, all you need to do next is to actually go on to promoting your offers. But if you don't actually have money to fund your account, there's a quite cool way which you can actually do that right now. You want to switch your account to the freelancer or worker section. And if you just switch that to the freelancer, you want to come onto this micro job section, and you want to click on find jobs. And if you do click on that right now, you'll be able to see a lot of tasks which you can actually go on to doing to earn some cool amount on this platform. You can see if you complete this task right here, which is to promote a content and get one engagement, you get paid about 4 cents right here. And as you can see right now, if you do keep on scrolling through, you'll be able to see some simple offers which you could actually go on to doing. And you can see this offer right here is the best offer, which is a YouTube offer. All you need to do is to complete an offer and subscribe to the channel, and you do get paid $4 right now for just this offer alone. So you can actually go on to doing this simple task. As you can see, they are actually needing 12 people out of 25 people remaining, and you can actually go on to doing this right here, complete some cool offers. You can see this offer right here, if goes on to paying you $2, this one goes on to pay you $1. And if you do keep on scrolling through, you'll be able to see cool offers which you can actually do. And if you do some offers right there, maybe if you do up to 20 offers, who knows, you may get up to $30 a day, and you can actually go on to using that to promote your offers on this platform. And to promote your offer right now, or your landing page, or that particular URL file locker, you want to switch back to the buyer account, come onto this particular micro job section, click on post job. And if you do click on post job right here, you want to select the location to which you want to drive traffic to. And a lot of people will actually go on to selecting the United States and the Western countries right there, or European countries. That's actually a very big mistake which a lot of people actually make on this platform. So instead of you selecting this right here, you want to first of all analyze this website to know where its traffic comes from the most. And if you do that, guys, you can actually gain that using the similar web statistics. If you do analyze SproutGigs based on SimilarWeb, you can find out that SimilarWeb gets 3.2 million visits in the last 28 days. But mind you to know that not all this traffic comes from the United States or top tier European countries. All you need to do is to check out the countries that actually do visit this website the most. You can see right here that most of its traffic comes from this particular country, which is Sri Lanka, Egypt, Indonesia, Algeria, and Brazil. So a lot of people go on to promoting offers to the United States, not knowing that the United States does not actually get a lot of traffic on this particular platform. So which is why you want to promote it to countries such as this right now. So if I want to promote to Sri Lanka and Egypt right here, I'm just going to go back to that particular platform. Maybe I want to promote to Egypt. I'm going to select Africa, and right here, guys, you want to just simply select all countries you want to exclude from the selected zone. So I'm just going to go on to selecting all other countries except Egypt right here. So once that has actually been done, click on apply and go to next. And right now you want to select the kind of job right here. So I'm just going to click on sign up job right now, maybe a simple sign up, and click on apply and go to next. And for this particular job title right here, you want to just simply give it a simple job title, something like this. We say simple sign up search survey, and you want to just simply input steps right there for them to actually go on to doing right now. The first step right here might be to click on link, and that link right now you want to just simply paste in the link to your landing page, or you want to just simply head onto the platform called tinyurl.com. and with this particular platform called tinyurl, maybe if you do head onto a new tab, it is actually a link shortener platform. You can actually go on to using to shorten your lengthy URL. So supposing I want to just simply shorten my URL file locker or my landing page link right here, I'm just going to paste in that link in this section, click on shorten URL, and it's going to come up with a very cool short URL for me to that link. Now this is the URL. I can copy that right now, head back to SproutGigs and actually paste that in right here. For the step 2 right now, you want to just simply put in something like complete a simple survey and screenshot survey completion page. You can add in more steps right here, but I'm going to leave this as it is right now. For the proof right here, I'm going to go on to selecting the screenshot proof. For this particular section, I'm going to put in what they want to screenshot, which is actually the survey completion page. So once it has actually been inserted, I'm going to just simply head onto this section, click on apply and go to next. And it's going to bring me to this page right here where you want to just simply insert your speed. I'm going to leave that as that. For the workers needed, depending on the amount of money which you do actually have, that depends on the amount you're going to put for the workers needed. For the maximum POS per workers right here, you're going to leave that as it is. But for how much each workers will earn, since you're actually going to be earning at an average of, let me say, 50 cents right now on SproutGigs or on CPA group, once someone complete your offer, it is quite generous that you actually do going to paying them about 20 cents right here or 25 cents to actually make that generous, so as not to be greedy enough. You just want to make sure you do give them something quite generous that will actually motivate them to go on to completing your offer. And you can see the estimated amount for you to actually complete or promote this on this platform. All you need to do is to deposit funds and actually head on to the next step, which is to go onto the settings section. Okay, this is the settings section, and go on to promoting this on this platform. And if you do this right here, you'll be able to go on to getting lots and lots of cool traffic to this particular offer and make some cool cash right now. If you do have any question, leave that in the comment section below, and don't forget to go onto my channel right now and go on to smashing the like button to this video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is turned on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.